Oh God, my sister's the center of attention again. Just watch and I'll tell you about it. Hi, this is my sister Ivory. She's just a little tail crazy. Don't you think? Oops. And you know we all get urges. Even dogs. I'm sure you've all seen this before, especially on the Sex and the City movie. Okay, this is Ivory wilding out, as we call it. So cute every time we see it. Aw, look. It's nap time with Daddy. Okay, she's alone with the toy. That rarely happens. Yes, we're watching you. Oh my goodness, not the tail again. She's caught. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's free. Damn it, Ivory. You always take the stick and try to hide it. And then I can't find it. I like it when she lets me give her an eyecial. I think she likes it. She doesn't run away or anything. I love my sister. Okay, not the tail again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe.